from not putting her face in.
Mhm.
Okay, let's do the first thing.
Okay.
Okay, sit on the step. Let me see while you bubble.
I can do that with putting my ears in there.
I know. Can you hear anything under the water?
No.
No. Okay, do it again. Awesome. Good job.
Very
Alright.
nice.
Are you
Very
ready?
nice. Very nice.
Okay. What happens if your face gets wet? No big deal, right? Because
it can wait. It can dry up.
it could dry.
Mhm. Yeah.
All right. Are we gonna do this one first?
Yeah.
Okay. Hop on, swimmer fish. I'm out of the way. Keep going.
Look that way.
Look at me.
Look at Miss Erica.
Keep going. Watch me. Look at me. That way you don't go that way. Come on. Good. Nice and easy with the feet. Keep it going. Keep it going. Show Mom how cool you are and put your face in. All right. You gotta keep kicking though. All the way. All the way. Why aren't you going anywhere? Never legs straight. Keep kicking. Keep kicking. You don't need to kick super hard to get to where you need to go. There you go. There you go. Now you got it. Stay in the way. Keep your feet in the way. Keep going. All the way. All the way. Alright, I'll turn you around. Hold on. Hold on.
Awesome.
Alright, kick it. Kick it, girl. Kick it. Kick it. Keep it going. There you go. Arms out. Arms, there you go. Makes it easier. Kick those feet.
Mommy, do you know what you forgot?
What?
My swimming cap.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Today's the last day.
You're doing awesome. Keep going. All the way to the step. So then we can do the next super cool trick. Keep it going. You're doing great. Get those feet up. Alright.
Very good. Woohoo!
Good job.
All right.
Alright. Say, that's nothing, Mom. Right? That's nothing. Nothing. Long arm. Long arm. Come to me. Watch where you're going. You gotta kick. There you go. Use both arms so you don't run into the wall. Long arm. Where's that face going? There you go. Long arm. You can do it. All the way. Put it all together. All the way.
Face in.
Face Good job. What do I call those other bubbles? Cheater bubbles. Long arms. There you go. Keep it going. You got it. You got it. Put it all together. Where are my ice cream scoopers? No claws. Ice cream scoopers. Hit that side. Hit that side. Good job.
Very
All right,
good.
turn around.
Oh.
Reach for me. Reach for me. Reach for me. Keep it going. Keep it going. Good job. Long arms. You're fine. Keep going. I know that hair's in the face. Keep it going. Keep going. All the way. All the way. All the way. Look, you're almost there. You're almost there. Kick him. Kick those legs. I know they're tired. You've been doing lots of kicking.
Very good.
Awesome.
Very good.
Good job.
I'm not sure how I can blow.
Oh, we'll do that at the end. We'll do fun, crazy tricks at the end.
Okay.
Spider-Man down, girl.
Watch this, Mommy.
Okay.
All right. Come on down. This is our Spider-Manning down.
Oh, okay. All right.
Like this.
That's right.
You're scaling the wall?
That's right. All right. All right.
Okay.
Ready? Awesome!
Very good.
You ready?
Very good.
Almost there. Kick it. Kick it.
Yeah.
Remember, you think if you don't kick.
Okay.
Good job.
Woohoo!
So proud of you. Can you do it one more time?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Good job. I know you're getting tired. Awesome.
Wow, look at you.
Now do it. Now do it. Now do it. Now do it. Go. Go back. Go back. Go. Show it. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it. All the way. Good job.
Woohoo!
Let's do that one more time.
Very good,
Just
hon.
float, okay?
Okay.
Hold on. Belly button to the sky. Start over. Start over. Belly button up. Good job.
Very good, yes. Very good.
Let's do the jump.
Okay.
Mommy, I have a surprise.
Okay.
Kick those feet. Kick those feet. Don't stop kicking.
Woo! Look at you!
Let's do it one more time.
One more
Okay, all right.
Go ahead. That bean's not going to hurt you. Remember, he doesn't want to swim. Goes on the edge. Watch that.
What's this, Mommy? I can pick my own stuff up here.
Wow, very good.
Good job. She has come a long way.
Mm-hmm.
We're not ready for a swim team yet.
Nope,
There.
nope.